I finished a trip across here, so I'm getting ready to roll it up so that I can enter virgin territory. You know, it's kind of interesting here. One reason that center panel is so irregular is they did not bother to take out the darts. If this was a piece of clothing, right, there's a dart in there. Now, I could have redone the whole thing, opened this up, opened up the dart stuff, but I have my limits. I'm using a 3-pole frame here, which somebody gave me years ago. It's, when you use a 3-pole frame, you don't have to baste. I cannot stand basting a quilt. It's more work than quilting. Okay, so I'm loosening, going to unroll some of this back pole here so that I can open some areas and wind up as far as I can on that pole. Okay, so I'm here and I'm going to have to tighten these. The top and the batting is on this back pole. So, and the bottom is on this middle pole. What that means is that there's, nothing ever shifts because you're just keeping them all taut, but they're wound independently, right? It's a very clever way to do it. And I know now that online there's actually someplace, you can order a three pole frame and there's something like $179 or something. It's worth it. Of course, you long arm people, I mean,